Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for our very um, proficient lab students. So today we shall be assessing them on the eight extraordinary vessels. We are still on syndromes or pattern differentiation. Hello, Sir Mark.
Hello
Kumusta?
po, Doc.
Oo, ready ka na.
Kaya
Okay.
mo tama sagot ko.
Mm. So I believe that you're already familiar with the eight, no? The eight EOVs. So can you tell us what particular channel or what particular extraordinary vessel is this being discussed here? May epilepsy, back spasm. So ito pa lang, this is too obvious, no? The back. Uh, so if you look at the symptoms, it's mostly young, no? May movement. All. So what's your answer, Sir Mark?
Sa akin, Doc, pag epilepsy po, liver wind, steering internally, phlegm, missing heart, blood stagnation in the brain, deficiency of the heart and kidney.
Okay, let me remind you, sir, okay naman yun, pero ang topic natin today is all about EOVs, no? So your diagnosis should
Ayun.
be based on extraordinary vessels. So the correct answer is governing vessel internal symptoms, no? Internal na po yan. Okay? Hemorrhoids, episotonus, then we have the back spasm, convulsions. Okay? So the next one, what about this? This is like there's stiffness, there's pain along the spinal column or spasm. So obviously, this is still the same meridian, but you need to tell us what part, what department of the meridian. Kanina, internal yon, but this time, um, you have to specify, no? Sir Mark, what's your answer?
Okay ba po sagot ko eh? Puro diagnosis ang nakalagay lahat.
Okay, so let's go on. So the answer should be governing vessel, musculoskeletal. Next,
Ayan
um,
tayo.
leukorrhea, irregular menses, male and female infertility, nocturnal emissions, and uresis hernia, retention of urine. So ano po ito? Definitely hindi dito pinag-uusapan ng do or red or governing vessel. So what's the channel here?
Okay ba sagot ko? Sagot ko puro diagnosis eh. Disorder in the kidney, liver, and spleen.
Oo, pero our topic is on EOVs. So the
Ayaw
answer,
nga, namali ako.
yeah. Conception,
Namali ako.
vessel, internal symptoms. Okay, what about
Um,
pain in the genital region?
Sagot ko lang, Doc, liver, cheese, stagnation.
Ano kasi
Mali
yan?
ako sagot ko. Di sa channels ang nakalagay ko.
Okay, sige.
Gnosis.
Um, I understand, no? Kasi this is quite, we don't usually do this, but for academic purposes, we need to be very familiar with diagnosis of patterns according to the
Mhm.
extraordinary vessels. Would you like to take
Ah,
over, Ma'am?
Mamercy ka muna. Mali yung sagot ko. Diagnosis ang nalagay ko lahat eh. 1 to 60. Puro diagnose.
O
Oo.
sige.
Okay.
Salamat.
Thank you, Sir Mark. Oo. Sa susunod, bawi ka next week. Okay. Okay, Ma'am Mercy, Madam M.
Mhm. Opo. Number 4, it's Renmeyer, the conception vessel musculoskeletal symptoms.
Okay, very good. What about this? Now, um, this is something that's very, very important, no? A very good practitioner will always have this diagnosis. And every time we talk about menstruation, infertility, miscarriage, and if you take a look, there is also difficulty breathing. So parang there's something off. So since our topic is all about the extraordinary vessels, so our answer should also be one of the eight, no? So what's your answer here, Madam M?
It's the Chongmai or penetrating vessel internal
Yeah,
signs.
very good. So, in fact, no, excuse me, if you have miscarriages, aside from the conception vessel, you should also consider the chong or the penetrating. Next, what if you have pain in the chest and abdomen? Kanina, pain in the genital region, think immediately of the Renmai, no?
Mm,
Mhm.
the ren.
Ito naman, chest and abdomen.
It's the Chongmai or the penetrating vessel musculoskeletal
Very
symptoms.
good. Next. Now, this is something that we need to be very familiar with, no? Although I have to admit, I seldom consider this. The problem kasi with EOVs, except for the REN and 2, wala siyang mga points, no? So
Mhm.
we borrow points from other channels. And that's what makes us really, really very interested in doing this. Okay. So I tell you, if you know the diagnosis, then it would be very easy for you to make the patient feel better. Okay, what's your answer
Mhm.
here, madam?
It's the Daimai or the girdling vessel internal symptoms.
We also call this the belt channel or the belt meridian, no? The girdle, abdominal distension, para yung lumuluwa na yung ano. Okay. Next, when you have weakness and pain around the umbilicus and lumbar spine, sorry.
It's the Daimai or the girdling vessel musculoskeletal
Very good.
symptoms.
Okay, this one is something that is very interesting as well. Epilepsy, there's mania. So as you can see, it's very, very young, no? Difficulty falling asleep, no? There's a lot of young. Insomnia,
Mhm.
insanity. So what particular vessel are we talking about?
Is the Yang Chow or the motility vessel internal signs and symptoms.
Very good. Think of it this way. If it's hyperactive young, that's a motility channel, motility, the young motility vessel, or the young chow mein. Next. What about this? Um, Pain in the inner canthus and lumbar spine. If you're going to analyze, no, parang it's so malayo. Imagine from the inner canthus diretso sa lumbar spine. There's always a version of food. Siguro naman, there are times when I think some of us can relate to this, if you know what eversion of the foot means. So the question is,
Mhm.
what EOV or extraordinary vessel are we talking about?
Mhm. We're talking about the Yang Chow, the motility vessel musculoskeletal signs and symptoms.
Yeah, because of the involvement of the muscles, no? Next,
Opo.
epilepsy, lethargy, schizophrenia. I hope you have Googled what schizophrenia is. Excessive
Yes,
coldness.
yes po. And my answer is Yin Chow, motility vessel internal signs and symptoms.
Okay. Except for epilepsy, if you take a look, no, there's lethargy, schizo, excessive coldness. So this is the opposite of the yang chow. So this one is there is no very little motility. Yin chow motility vessels. Next. Inversion. Kanina it was eversion for the yang chow. Now we go to inversion. Coldness in the lower limbs. So this is very yin. So what particular vessel are we talking about here?
It's the Yin Chow, motility vessel musculoskeletal signs and symptoms.
Very good. Okay, this one, there is weakness and limping of the body together with, okay, what I like about uh, extraordinary vessels um, is the psycho-emotional aspect into it. Yeah, and you will love it talaga. Especially when we go to the next one, the next module. Um, yung mga mental disorders, this can actually help,
Mhm.
no? So like for this one, Madam M, what's your answer?
It's the Yang Wei or the linking vessel internal signs and symptoms.
Okay, so if you have a patient who looks very weak and may limping, and then there's also insecurity, mental disturbance, then that's the Yang Wei linking, no? Yang Wei or the linking vessel. Next, intermittent fevers and alternating fevers and chills. Pain in the lateral side of the body. So this is yang na yang, no?
Opo. It's Yang Wei or the linking vessel musculoskeletal symptoms.
Very good. Blood and or yin deficiency, especially if accompanied by psychological symptoms such as anxiety, restlessness, insomnia. So first, you need to be able to diagnose the pattern, yeah, no, based on the constitution, based on the symptoms. So if this is blood and yin deficiency plus may anxiety, restlessness, or broken-hearted, so we're looking at what?
It's the Yin Wei or the linking vessel internal symptoms.
Very good. Chest tightness or pain.
It's Yin Wei or the linking vessel musculoskeletal symptoms.
Okay, memorize mo yata ito. Okay.
By heart.
You know, there are people kasi, they will just tell you, I have chest pain, no? Some will not even consider um, the extraordinary vessel. Okay? Yun nga, extraordinary kasi, sometimes you just don't ask the physical symptoms. You also should be good at decoding or uncovering what is behind the mask. No? So first, the patient like you.
Yun kasi as I've read from this book about this AOV, that these AOVs are the last resort just in case lahat nagawa na, lahat nagawa na, lahat ng klase ng treatment nagawa na, and then ito na lang yung pinaka last resort na pwede natin gawin, the AOV.
Yeah.
Yun yung sabi. Kaya hindi siya, kumbaga, huling-huli siya.
Yeah. So true. Actually, itong EOVs, they actually, nag-branch off lang siya. Parang galing siya sa 12 primary channels. So all we have to do now is to really, really discover, no? Ano bang yung mga, like especially nga, you said, this is the last resort. So, mas maganda na discover mo na una pa lang. I know it's difficult.
Una pa lang.
Yeah.
The question,
Yes.
can you use the extraordinary kahit it's not the last resort, even if it's not?
Yes, yeah. But you know, it's difficult kasi if ano naman, kung ito naman kasi parang I would like, sabi nga last resort, no? But I don't think there's anything wrong with using this as a first attempt, no? Oo. Alam ko maraming
And what I mean about parang sinabi niya sa last resort is yung kung hindi ka na makahanap ng ibang solusyon, parang ito yung pinaka the best na solusyon na pwede mo, hindi ka magkakamali. Parang ganun yung ibig niya sabihin, last resort.
Yeah, actually, if you are familiar with AcuPro Academy, yes, this presentation about
medyo
ito, talagang if you look at parang puro puro psychological.
Ang mahal sobra nung niya ebook.
Mahal.
Oo. Hindi, bilhin nyo na lang yung kaya lang, anyway, importante niya nilagay mo sa utak mo, mahal. Pero magaling siya ha. You should watch her YouTube video.
Yes.
She's very
I follow her sa IG.
Magaling siya.
She's so good.
Magaling siya.
She's like, you could feel the passion talaga, no? Pati yung mga niya, yung mga TikTok niya. Nagamit ko yung TikTok niya. Okay, yung mga point. Yeah. So, Madam M, when are you going to come up with your own TikTok
Yes,
or your own blog? We would encourage kasi everyone.
not yet.
Ah,
Go,
Sobra akong
madam.
shy sa ganyan. Shy pa ako
I know
and
actually you
Go,
may
syempre,
not,
madam.
yung hindi naman ang, ewan ko lang, I'm not so sure about the TikTok kasi you have to show your face there, but you can always do something naman.
mm,
Siguro show the points, show the, yeah, the location, no? And also try to, sige, let's do it.
tingnan natin.
About it, no? Kasi kung this is the
Sige
last,
po.
kasi bakit tayo, why will we use this as a last resort if we can use it as a first kuan, di ba? First attempt.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah. So let's go to the functions of
Ibig sabihin nito, parang you can never go wrong.
Mm.
Mm.
Opo.
And then
The
ano pa?
functions of extra or ano po?
Yeah.
Well, yun, dami. Meron ako.
Okay. Ano na lang natin ha?
Reservoir of energy.
Mm.
Yan.
Integrates the primary channel
Sige po.
and
Tuloy
then
ko na lang daw.
it circulates the Jing.
Yeah.
You see, and the Yuan. So I believe everyone is familiar with the Jing and the Yuan from the kidney. So Yuan is your
Opo.
principle, ano to? The
Original.
chi, original chi. Yeah. Derive and also distributes the Wei Qi over the abdomen, thorax, and back. O, diba? So yun.
Mhm.
And now let's go to the Western Function Association ng EOV. So you see, meron na siyang count, meron siyang correlation sa Western.
Yes, Doc.
And what?
Yes, Doc. So Western, it is hormonal control, nervous control, um, controls musculoskeletal system, genitalia, circulatory, hepatic, and biliary.
Yeah. Actually, lahat eh. I was actually thinking we might, I'm sure you're familiar with yung mga nasa mental asylum, no? You might want to incorporate this, no?
Opo.
O yung mga nasa pisket.
Paano nga lang
Ang
kung
hirap kaya, no? Yeah. Sige, let's do it.
okay po.
Actually, I remember when I was, there was a psychiatrist who wanted to learn. That time I was not very pa talaga with this one. So parang nakaka naman kung di ba? Okay, applications po ng ating
Ayun.
8 EOVs.
Okay. Symptomatology is a composite of the primary channel that each extra channel joins multiplicity of symptoms that don't fit in Zangpu, 8 principles or primary channel pattern chronic, long-term illnesses, endocrine problems, psychological imbalances when you have tried everything else.
Yeah.
Yun yung sinasabi ko
So
kanina.
siguro, let's try mo na yung di ba? Kung hindi pa paulit-ulit pa rin. So,
Correct.
yun.
Mm-mm.
Interesting, di ba? Now let's go to the most important part. We have the master and couple points. Here you could really see the association or the partnership, no? So example, when you talk about Dumai, nakapartner siya with Yang Chao Mai. Ren Mai, nakapartner siya with Yin Chao Mai. Then Chong Mai, kay Yin Wei Mai or Yin Ling King. Yung Tai Mai, nandoon kay Yang Wei Mai. Okay?
Yang Wei Mai.
So,
Yes, Doc.
we have it here on the screen. Ang ibig sabihin nito, if you're going to let's say may back pain, no? May back pain na mas masama pa ugali or stress. So, for women, sabi nga nila, women daw are always right, which I don't entirely agree. But anyway, so yung sa right, you needle the SI3 sa right. And then second yung bladder 60. That's bladder
On the left.
It's not JBC. Walang JB62 ha. Sorry about that. I will probably change it later. Okay. But when it
Dok,
comes to
meron,
mm,
nagawa ko yun sa ears, meron. Kasi doon sa isang book natin.
ears na lang. So, ganun din.
Mm.
Right. So, sa lalaki, opposite. And then when you remove the needles, reverse order. Oo.
Mm.
Madali lang to. It's so easy, no? So, Dumai, so ibig sabihin, pag Yang Chow Mai naman, yung mga pinagdi-discuss natin, yung mga, ano ba, epilepsy, yung parang hindi makatulog, um, yun. So, we use UB62 first, followed by SI3. Yun yun.
The question,
Mm.
Yeah.
yung sa reverse, di ba, na yung sa needle, pag tatanggalin na, what if may supporting point, extra supporting points aside from those active extra channels?
That's a good question.
Pabalik din. Pabalik
Oo
din.
nga.
Ganito kasi,
Tatanggalin ba may supporting?
yung supporting, you're saying yung hindi EOV.
Which one do you,
Mm.
do
I
you
think, no, ito lang.
observe?
Since this is going to be a last resort, I would say na you will only use ito lang talagang points, no? Kasi, yeah, that's a good one. Sorry ha. Unahin mo talaga ito. Oo. And then, so ano yung una mo? Example, SI3 inuna mo. Tapos,
Yes.
Mm.
pinaka-last, tapos bladder 62. Una mo
So, and
Mm.
then the
bladder
supporting,
62,
para
and
may
then all the
supporting.
other
Mm.
points. And then last na po,
Mm.
SI3. Ganun lang.
Ah,
Nag,
okay.
nag, nag-experiment ako dyan kasi may nabasa akong isang book natin na sabi pagka-chronic, kailangan talaga may, meron kang
Extra
backup na
points.
points, extra point.
Yeah.
Alam mo,
Ang
ang galing niya, ang galing niya,
talaga.
ang bilis ng
Wow.
effect. Kasi po yung po kasing yung pong client ko kasi na matanda na, may complaint siya na yung balance niya hindi na maayos. Kumbaga parang mabilis siya maglakad pero parang nagki-criss-cross na yung paa niya. So, nakakatakot kasi baka madapa.
Mm-mm.
Oo, tapos naggumigewang siya. So, ginamitan ko ng ganyan at saka yung doon sa yung
Sa ear.
bandang, opo, sa ears ko siya ginawa. Alam mo, nung last time tinanong ko may improvement nga daw siya. So, tinuloy ko na lang ulit.
Ay, wong galing talaga. Grabe.
Hmm.
Wala na akong masabi.
Hindi kasi, hindi kasi pagka ganyan, nagsasakto lang lahat yung lessons natin doon sa
Oo nga.
dumarating na
Oo.
pasyente.
Especially if you have a patient, nare-relieve naman, pero when she comes back,
Mm.
ano pa rin yung problem niya? Siguro time to really use the EOVs, no? Mm. And then,
Opo,
this
yun
one is
lang
a
po.
little bit intriguing. The Chinese method daw, you use the master point on both sides and the couple point on both sides,
Mm.
both ears. Both,
Ayan, hindi ko pa nagawa.
mahilig talaga sa
Hindi ko pa.
bilateral ang Chinese. Pero ang European, yung mini-mention natin was European.
Master points on the other side.
You see?
Tapos, yun, couple points on the opposite side. European. So, mas madali pagka Chinese methods kasi hindi ka na kailangang mag-isip kung nasaan yung kaliwa at
Kaya nga.
kanan.
So, depende kung saan ka, sa Europe ka ba or China, diba?
Sa China na lang madali.
Oo nga. So, pareho naman pala. Okay, next.
Pareho naman pala.
How long do you retain the needles?
15 to 30 minutes.
Galing. How do you remove the needles?
In reverse order be conscious of your level of intention.
Now, this one is very, very important. This is where we can confirm that there is, like, if your intention is really to make the patient get well, then it will be very effective. No?
Mm.
So, dapat, pag needle mo pa lang, andoon na yung intent mo eh. So, meron talaga
Yes.
tayong energy that's why you should always wear white or you put an overcoat, no?
Yes.
Para I don't
Kung
Yeah.
pain blue. Pag more on let's say young deficiency siya, it's white. Kapag ka may in pain, it's light blue. Pero lahat dapat light very light colors, walang dark.
Mga
Um,
mga
oo.
beige,
Mm,
ang mga ano
oo.
tawag yan?
Mga ganun po, mga peach, mga green, lalo ng green pinaka.
Yeah.
Pagka, let's say, detox, it's light green, ganon.
What's another name for Dumai?
Governing vessel,
Okay. Dumai is paired with what?
Yang Chow Mai,
Yes. And the master point of Dumai?
SI3,
Where?
small intestine 3.
Okay. And the coupled point of Dumai?
It's UB62.
Okay. Ay nako, I want to share this with you. Pag lower back pain, especially pag ano na
Mm.
talaga, you should always use this. I always start with
Mm.
SI3 tapos bladder 62. Oo, basta last na siguro.
Wow.
Oo. And then so it's up to you, bilateral na lang. Siguro for the ear we should do bilateral, no?
But Chinese style, bilateral.
Let's talk
Do
about
my first.
yeah, true. Para mas madami. The functions of Dumai.
Okay. It governs yang channel and qi of whole body. Qi of yang regulates yuan qi via kidney, nourishes brain and spinal cord via kidney connection, kidney in charge of marrow, brain is the sea of marrow, and controls CNS, circulates wei qi over the back.
Okay, this is very, very true because some of us have would often overlook this, no? Kaya nga, there was a time, remember yung COVID, there was one Chinese doctor who said na to protect you from COVID, you have to do you have to moksa the back. Na she mentioned yung mga back shoe, yung ganun. And especially, parang uminit ka talaga, no? So, because of the weight, so that's actually, ito pala, mas effective yung Dumay, no?
Kaya pala, nung nag-do 16 ako, sabi ng pasyente, ba't biglang uminit?
Yeah.
Buong
Ay,
katawan.
nako, you should also try Do4 because the couple had been childless for 7 years, 8 years. And then, of course, it was the first visit. So I just used the ear. Uminit daw. So, syempre si Do4. Saka si Do14.
Ito yun. Hindi, wala na sa do 16 kasi, Dok, pag sa ears, wala na siya sa mismong lobe, wala na mismo siya sa auricle eh. Nandito siya sa may baba malapit sa dulo ng line sa dulo ng
Oh,
earlobe.
yeah.
Tapos ay grabe, sabi ko bakit
Yes.
parang
Mm.
ano ba 'yon?
Umiinit
Tapos
siya, as in.
ang init ng katawan. Sabi ko, ba't ang init daw?
Yeah.
Tapos sabi ko,
Ear lang yun,
baka
ha? Ear lang yun.
baka tinamaan.
Ear lang yun.
Ear lang po.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Especially
Ear
Do4.
lang po. Hindi pa po ako confident sa
Pero
body.
kung lahat ng babae, no? Especially yung may
Do
PCOS,
for sa likod.
those who miss their menses, like, very irregular, yung mga nagsispotting lang, ay siguro, you should do the Do4 and bladder 23 bilateral.
Mm. Ayun. Isa lang, Dok. Isang side lang yung ginawa ko, Dok.
Effective naman din. Like, there was one, nilibre ko lang kasi staff siya. Maganda, pati kanya kuminis. Oh. And of course, my
Grabe
favorite
yun.
4-point needle technique. So basically, 2 points around. Siguro we'll schedule a lecture for siguro, 4-point needle technique. I love
Sige,
it.
Dok.
It's so good.
So good. Opo.
Okay, let's talk about symptoms and do my.
Symptoms of Dumais are stiff spine, headache, eye pain due to overactive yang qi, excess yang in spine, heavy head, sagging shoulder, shaking like Parkinsonism, deficiency yang qi in head and shoulders, mental disorders, bipolar, rheumatic conditions like inflammation of the joints, hemorrhoids, sterility, hernia, in neurosis, heat pains, colic, constipation, fevers.
Pathway. Now, this one is a little bit technical, which I'm not so
Opo.
a fan of. So I think
Ito siya.
when you do REN 1 and do 1, ano naman natin yan, no? They travel up the spine to do
Opo.
16, and then all other
Opo.
pathways are internal. So you just go through this. This is too
Mhm.
academic. Now let's go to the points. What are the points of the Dumai?
It's the do 1 to do 28.
Okay. Dumai is called the
Governing vessel,
Renmai,
conception vessel,
Chongmai.
penetrating vessel or the sea of blood,
Yes. Ito yung ano niya, ito yung kanyang title, The Sea of Blood. So, ano ba? So for women with ano, yung
may kinalaman siya sa Tianji,
yeah,
Tiangui.
yeah. Galing. Sea of
Yung
Blood.
pong sa regla yan.
Oh,
Siya
ito naman.
nagde-dictate.
I also like this, the Tai Mai, because of the belt.
Diamond.
Yeah.
The belt or the girdling vessel.
Yeah. And Yang Chow Mai is
The young heel motility vessel
Yin Chow Mai,
is the yin heel channel motility vessel.
Yang Wei Mai.
Young linking regulating vessel.
Yes. Yin Wei Mai.
Yin linking or the regulating vessel
Yang Chow Mai.
is the young heel motility and mobility vessel.
Who's the partner of Yang Chow Mai?
Dumai.
Yes. Ito na, Dumai. Nauna. Yang Chow Mai, Master Point.
Bladder 62.
Yang Chow Mai, Coupled Point.
SI3.
Yang Chow Mai, She Cleft Point. And I believe you know what a She Cleft Point is.
It's a bladder 59.
Okay. Yang Chow Mai,
She cleft po yung emergency points.
yes.
Right.
Yang Chow
Yang Chow Mai
is
balance
balanced.
with Yin Chow Mai.
Yang
Yun.
Chow Mai is regarded as
Yin Chow Mai. Branch of bladder channel.
yes, of course. So siguro meron din si kidney channel, no?
Siguro.
Functions of Yang Chow Mai.
Ayun. Brings yang energy to the eyes, helps maintaining muscle tone in legs, absorbs excess yang or stagnation in head, expels external wind, harmonizes left and right sides of the body. Important for walking.
Ay, oo. Siguro yung mga may issues na sa walking, no? Mm-mm. Yeah, Yang Chow Mai.
Ito nga po yung ginamit ko, yung docket nung nakaraan. Opo.
Okay, now it makes sense. Why does it bring young energy to the eyes? Because when you start walking, you're actually activating the liver, right? Pero yang to eh. You're actually referring to the gallbladder. Do you agree?
Opo.
Yeah, expels external wind. Okay. Muscle tones
Opo.
legs. Ay, siguro, alam mo, Madam M, hindi ko lang napalpate yung ano mo, I'm
Opo.
sure toned na
Yes,
toned
Doc.
siya.
Ah,
No,
yes, I do.
of course.
Yes,
Oo,
Doc.
wala siyang cellulite.
So that means when the leg muscles are toned, you're actually looking at a very efficient channels doon, di ba? The liver, the spleen, o ba? The kidney, no? Mm. I know, sorry. Yang Chow Mai pala. The bladder,
Yes.
the gallbladder, and meron pa isa. The bladder, gallbladder, and stomach. Hmm. Siguro, pampaliit ng tiyan din yan, di ba? Yang chow mein symptoms. Marami tayong nadidiscovery. Now, let's go to symptoms ng yang chow mein.
Ay, kailangan ko yan.
Hmm.
Eyes not closed, so insomnia.
Bakit mo
If it's
kailangan?
less,
Hindi ka pumipikit?
mabuti po yun.
Okay.
Okay. Yang
Excellent.
chow mein are the insomnia.
Ay, tinan mo
I
ha,
know what.
your leg muscles are tight. Ay, parang ako ito.
Wala si
Medial
Madam.
flaccid. Okay. Ay, iba din pala pag women, foot eversion. Yung parang natatapi, yung palabas. In men, inversion.
Opo.
Okay.
Inversion in men. Opo.
Even epilepsy, no? May daytime, may nighttime.
Mm.
It
O
can
may
also help with
meron
stroke,
siyang schedule.
low back pain, structural imbalances. This is amazing, right? Now let's go to
O
the
nga po.
pathways. Okay.
The Yang Chow Mai pathways begins at lateral
Malleolus.
malleolus, runs up the lateral side of the lower extremity and trunk to posterolateral shoulder, neck, then anteromedially via cheek, in inner canthus up overhead to gallbladder 20 and enters brain at do 26.
Okay.
16 pala.
Do 16.
16.
Okay, what are the
Right.
points to use in Yang Chow Mai?
Ayan. Si bladder 62, 61, 59, Sanjiao 10, large intestine 16, 15, stomach 4, 3, 1, bladder 1, gallbladder 20, and do 16.
Okay, we don't ask this in the exam. Kasi kami mismo ko. Okay.
Ayan, ginamit ko yan, Doc, doon
Talaga?
sa
Okay.
problem balance. Yan
So
nga.
they
Pero
affect...
hindi ho lahat.
Yan siya. Hindi lahat.
Okay. Can you
Hindi
tell
lahat
me...
yun.
Okay, this is actually a pairing, no? Alam mo naman, partner-partner yan. So, anong pair ang pinag-uusapan dito? Because this pair affects the posterior aspect of the lower extremities, the back, spine, neck, head, eyes, brain in their entirety. Oh, brain in their entirety. Wow.
Wow,
Isang
ganun nga po.
ideas. Spasm, contractions, articulation, or joint problems. So, anong partnership po ito?
Ay, wala akong sagot. Sorry. Hindi na miss out
Dumayang
ko siya.
kamay. So,
Dumayan
SGP
siya.
brother 62.
Ay,
Yung Dumayan siya. Ay,
Ang
okay po.
kamay. Di ba? Partner sila. What about Renmai is also called?
Conception vessel.
Renmai is paired with
Yin Chow Mai.
master point of Renmai.
Lung 7.
Coupled point of Renmai.
Kidney 6.
Nako, you should try this. Especially women. Ay, nako, believe me. I needled it first. Lung 7 and kidneys. Maganda yung question ni Madam, ha? Actually, hindi ko pa nasagot. I would, let me be honest, sometimes I forget. Basta iniiwan ko na lang si kidney 6. Isa natanggal ko na pati si kidney 6 kasi, di ba, like, doon ka sa paa, tanggalin mo na lahat. So,
Parang di kaya masakit.
masakit ng konti. Kaya technique talaga important.
Okay lang. Mataas pain tolerance ko.
Now, let's go to the functions of Renmai.
May book din akong nabasa dito sa book natin na kapag mas malayo sa heart, mas masakit eh.
Oo,
Kaya hindi po sa tenga.
Kaya
Kasi
medyo
malapit sa heart.
masakit yung liver 3. Medyo
Ayun.
masakit.
Ay, masakit ang liver too.
Masakit.
Three. Masakit. Slight lang.
Masakit. Nasubukan ko na.
Pero sandali lang naman eh.
Okay,
Tinanggal ko rin agad. Grabe.
I think everybody is familiar with Ranmai, no? It's good for menstruation, regulating
Apo.
menstruation, regulates, it governs the fetus. So to prevent miscarriage, you need to take care of the Ranmai. Spreads the Wei Qi to the abdomen and chest.
Mhm.
Okay. Controls body fluids in the abdomen, controls the yin in the lower abdomen, activates and moves qi
Mhm.
lower jaw. Okay, yan na yun. Distributes yin qi upward to the face and eyes, triple burner. Next, symptoms ng Renmai.
Okay. Congested chi, the catarrh, the plumpit, menstrual irregularities, miscarriage, infertility, leukorrhea, menopause, gastrointestinal disorders, especially those involving mucous membranes, ulcers and verticulitis, eczema, acne, yin pathogenic activity, dampness, cold, blood stasis, and phlegm.
Okay. It makes sense, di ba? Puro mga yin din, no? Puro mga
Mm.
yin, excess. Next, pathway ng Renmai. Ay, never mind this one. I'll just, basta it originates in the pelvis, in the pelvic cavity, uterus, females, lower abdomen in men, and becomes external at REN1. Then ascends along anterior midline line, along the anterior midline, and ends at REN24. Okay, this is too
Mm.
technical. So, ang importante, it can also go up the spine posteriorly to the upper back. What are the points
Ayun.
in Renmai?
Ren 1 to 24, some sources do 28 and stomach 1.
Okay, siguro mas tama itong some sources, do 28 stomach 1. Okay, another name for Yin Chao Mai.
It's the yin heel motility vessel.
Okay, Yin Chao Mai is paired with
Ren Mai,
master point of Yin Chao Mai.
kidney 6,
Very good. Coupled point of Yin Chao Mai.
lung 7,
Shi cleft point of Yin Chao Mai.
it's kidney 8,
Shi cleft point of Yang Chao Mai. Wala na.
Wala po.
Uy, hindi sinabi mo kanina yan. Kaya always go
Yin
back from the beginning. Bladder
from the beginning.
59. Remember,
Bladder
Bladder
59.
Yang Chao Mai.
Na, na,
Cleft.
Yang Chao Mai.
Question, sorry.
Ay,
Ano nga
yeah.
yung
Sige.
do for and
Bladder
bladder
23.
23.
Yeah, that's actually very good for people with yang deficiency, kidney yang deficiency.
Mm.
I try it. And most of this, yung mga ano,
Yung mga may neurosis.
hindi, yung mga merong sa babae pa, ano PCOS, and then,
Ayan.
yeah. Tapos
Okay.
malalaman mo kasi malamig yung, nagpapawis yung malamig yung kamay ng lalaki. And you palpate also that area sa lower back. No, particularly,
Is it cold?
yeah, sa my bladder 23, ano, mapi-feel mo iba, malamig siya. That confirms your diagnosis. So this is regarded as the branch of the kidney channel. What are we talking about?
It's the Yin Chao Mai.
Okay. General functions of Yin Chao Mai.
Regulates the opening and closing of the eyes, balances yin yang qi in lower extremities, regulates the functions of the brain, help lift the energy to the head, brings yin energy to eyes, treats atrophy syndrome, treats lower abdominal pain, regulates urinary problems.
General symptoms of Yin Chao Mai.
It's visual symptoms, differences in tension between medial and lateral aspect of the legs. Across the board, differences between the yin, the deep, and the yang superficial, pulses depths, difficulty walking or standing, epilepsy, Eyes stay open. Somnolence, spiritlessness, lassitude, apathy, spasm of the medial aspect of the lower extremities, inversion of the foot, urinary difficulty, lateral abdominal pain, and abdominal abscess.
Pathway.
It begins at the lateral malleolus,
Malus.
up the medial aspect of the lower extremity towards genitals, abdomen, chest, neck, cheek, to inner canthus of the eye, where it joins yang chow mai to go overhead.
Okay, what are the points?
It's the kidney 6, kidney 8, bladder 1, or gallbladder 20, and 216.
Maliit lang, diba? Okay, let's go to combination po ito. Problems with the abdomen, chest, lung, throat, face. Yin problems with disordered fluid metabolism.
It's the Ren Mai and Yin Chow Mai.
The first channel developing in an
So
embryo,
parehas Yin.
it's called the
Chong Mai.
Chong Mai. Chong Mai is paired with what? Sinong partner ni Chong Mai?
70, si
70.
Yin Wei Mai.
Okay. Chong Yin. Master point
It's
of
the,
Chong Mai.
it's the spleen 4.
Coupled point of Chong Mai.
It's the pericardium 6.
Functions of Chong Mai.
Sea of blood allows for an inhibited circulation of blood throughout the body. Sea of 12 meridians flushes qi and blood through main meridians, nourishes via viscera, the yin, and the 6 vowels or the yang, involved in both physical and spiritual heart functions, connects pre and postnatal qi, governs menstruation and sexual characteristics with renmai, governs reproduction, nourishes fetus, circulates qi in the abdomen, affects digestion, chest, heart, and large intestines in the nutritional absorption. Oh, wow.
Symptoms ng Chong Mai. Oo, kasi sea of
Okay,
blood.
disorders.
Ano ba siya? Yeah, sea of blood, no?
Yan, sea of blood po.
And sea of 12 meridians.
Okay.
So, importante po si Chong Mai. Diba? Si penetrating.
Chong Mai.
So, if you have
Penetrating medicine.
women with, yun, medyo may problema sa menstruation, you might want to consider Chong Mai. Okay, may symptoms ng Chong Mai.
Disorders of blood including stasis and vacuity. Symptoms focus on upper abdomen, gynecological conditions like menstrual and gynecological in male, GU and sexual problems, stagnation in the abdomen, masses, rebellious qi, disorders of the GI tract, and heart pain.
GU is genitourinary. Pathway ng Chong Mai.
5 pathways. First is the begins internally in lower abdomen down the REN 1 where it becomes external, stomach 30, kidney 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, REN 7, kidney 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 up to disperse in the chest. All alternating paths are internal. Number 2, path begins in the chest where the first path dispersed runs up to face, encircles the mouth, and ends up in the nasal cavity. Third, begins in lower abdomen, runs to cheek thoroughfare, the medial aspect of thigh, leg, posterior to medial malleolus to sole of the foot. Fourth, it's the follows spleen channel down medial thigh, medial leg, medial foot to great toe. And the fifth path begins in lower abdomen and travels up to the spine to lower back.
Upper back. Okay,
Yeah.
the points ng Chong Mai.
It's the REN 1, stomach 30, kidney 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, Ren 7, Ren 17, Kidney 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Okay, comparison between Chiang Mai and Ren Mai.
Okay. Chiang Mai is rebellious chi, blood disorders, upper abdomen, element of spleen and stomach pathology, upper burner symptoms in the heart and pericardium, while Ren Mai has chi disorders in the lower abdomen, kidney and lungs pathology, yin vacuity, upper burner symptoms, the lungs, and urinary symptoms.
Okay, another name for Yin Wei Mai.
It's the yin linking vessel.
Yin Wei Mai is paired with
Chiang Mai,
Yin Wei Mai Master Point.
pericardium 6,
Yin Wei Mai coupled point.
spleen 4.
She cleft of Yin Wei Mai.
It's the kidney 19,
She cleft of Yang Chao Mai.
yang
O hindi ang kidney 19, kidney 9.
kidney 9 pala yan yung
She cleft of Yang Chao Mai.
yang, ayun,
Kung Yang,
limot
si
bigla.
bladder.
Pag yang si,
Bladder 59.
brother,
She cleft of the Yin Chao Mai. Kidney
kidney 9.
Kidney 8.
Kidney 8,
She cleft ng
kidney,
Yin Wei Mai, kidney 9.
kidney 9.
Functions of
Yun.
Yin Wei Mai or yin linking vessel.
Yin linking vessel. Pa yan, nalito ko bigla.
So linking, it links the respective yin and yang meridians together. You see, it binds and strengthens mind body. So here you could really see the relationship between the body and mind. Structure
When
provides structural psychological support. Okay, balances emotions. Very emotional. Reinforces, regulates, balances energy and activity in yin channels. Reinforces blood and heart.
yun.
But someday we can work alongside the psychiatrists, no, and psychologists.
Si Habi.
Oh, so you should train
Psychiatry.
Psychoanalysis. Hindi, psychoanalysis.
psychoanalysis. He might. Okay. Oh, bongga. So he must be si Freud.
Yes.
Kilala si Sigmund Freud.
Siya.
Yun lang alam ko kay Sigmund Freud, kalimutan ko na.
Siya.
Paano ang psychoanalysis?
Psychoanalysis. Okay.
So let's go to the symptoms ng Yin Wei Mai.
Symptoms are heart,
Napansin niyo,
chest, stomach.
tinan niyo,
chest is
mostly psychological siya. Do you agree?
yes.
Psycho-emotional. Oh?
Psycho.
Insecurity, mental disturbance, no? Restlessness, insomnia, broken heart. Ouch. Okay. Kaya dapat move on.
Move on agad.
Yes, move on kagad.
O yung mga na-broken heart dyan. What's the master point of Yin Wei Mai?
Master point yun.
Nawala na. Pag
Pag
nawala yan, masisiraan tayo ng bait. Okay.
It's the pericardium 6.
Okay. Number 1 pathway ng Yin Wei Mai begins on the medial aspect of the leg, travels up to the abdomen, chest, and disperses in the throat. What are the points in the Yin Wei Mai?
It's the kidney 9, spleen 12, spleen 13, spleen 15, spleen 16, liver 14, Ren 22, and Ren 23.
Okay, compare Chiang Mai and Yin Wei Mai. Di pa partner sila?
Partners sila. Bali, si Chiang Mai, inner legs, abdomen, chest, heart, stomach, reproduction. While si Yin Wei Mai, organic insufficiencies with hereditary background.
So, ibig sabihin mana-mana. Just like, di ba, do you believe? if you have mental issues, chances are
Yes.
you inherited them.
Yes.
Okay.
Make sense po kasi si Chong Mai sa blood eh.
Ah, yeah. Wow. Taimai. Punta na tayo kay Taimai.
Isa siyang built girdling vessel.
Taimai is paired with
Yang Wei Mai.
coupled point of Taimai.
It's San Jiao Fai.
Mhm. Master point of Taimai.
It's gallbladder 41.
Okay. Functions of Taimai.
Only horizontal channel in the body. Binds channels at the waist and running up the trunk. Regulates balance between upward and downward flow of qi in the body. Encircles the leg channels and affects their circulation. Controls genitalia, waist, and hips. Affects circulation of qi and stomach. Controls the muscles that supports the abdomen and lower back, waist, and hips. Links the yin meridian on the front of the abdomen with yang meridians on the back. Controls xiao-yang
Oh,
meridians.
Shaoyang,
Hmm.
Sanjiao, and GB, gallbladder. Symptoms ng Taimai.
Weakness and sagging in the lumbar and lower abdomen, tightness of lumbar and lower abdomen, disorders that combine excess above with deficiency below, cold, damp, and vacuity disorders of the lower body like leukorrhea, sitting in cold water, dysmenorrhea, uh, uterine prolapse, ovarian cyst, hip arthritis, upward rising young disturbance of the upper body, paralysis or the hemiplegia, disorders of motor nerves, lower extremity spasms, coldness, paralysis, prolapse, miscarriage, headaches, especially in women with lower abdominal congestion.
Pathway of Taimai. Very easy.
From L2, it encircles the waist.
Points of Taimai.
Gallbladder 26, 27, 28, some sources do 4, bladder 23, bladder 52, spleen 15, stomach 28, and kidney connection.
Yang Wei Mai. Anong name?
It's the yang linking vessel,
Yang Wei Mai is paired with
Dai Mai.
master point of Yang Wei Mai.
It's the Sanjiao 5,
Coupled point of Yang Wei Mai.
gallbladder 41,
She cleft point.
gallbladder 35,
Function of Yang Wei Mai.
connects all yang channels, reinforces, regulates, and balances energy and activities in yang channels, link respective yin and yang meridians together, bind and strengthen the mind body, provide structure and psychological support, affects sides of the body.
Symptoms of Yang Wei Mai.
Weakness and limpness of body together with insecurities and mental disturbance, intermittent fever and alternating fever and chills, pain in lateral side of the body. When yin and yang wei mai cannot maintain their respective ties, one feels uncomfortable and loses one's will. Furthermore, one is flaccid and cannot support one's structure.
Okay. Pathway of the Yang Wei Mai.
Begins inferior to the lateral malleolus, up lateral lower extremity, up posterolateral trunk, posterior to shoulder, up neck and lateral head to forehead, back up over the top of the head to the nape of neck.
Point of Yang Wei Mai.
Bladder 63, gallbladder 35, SI10, triple warmer 15, gallbladder 13 to 21, do 16, do 15, stomach 8.
And finally, compare Dai Mai and Yang Wei Mai.
Yang Wei Mai, outer leg, sides of the body, shoulders, sides of the neck, while DIMI, migraines with menstrual disorders.
It is very common, migraines, may
Mm.
menstrual disorder din. Okay, I'm
Yes.
sure. Yeah. So now you know what
Oh,
to do. So,
may migraines lang ako pero menstrual disorders wala.
ay, wow. Okay.
Never po ako nagka-problema sa ano,
Congratulations.
menstruation.
Wow.
Opo.
Ako naman baliktad. Never nagka-migraine.
Okay. Thank you so
But
much.
I'm okay. No, wala na akong menstrual disorders now.